Good morning, welcome to the Art Money Talk. My name is Mo. Today I'm reviewing this book, The Art INC by Lisa Cogden. She is an artist, a designer, illustrator, Etsy store owner, Instagram darling or millennium entrepreneur. She is many things, and I'll have to say that she's the new generation artist who has no problem talking about money. And that's why the book is called Art INC, right? It's not fun art, succeed art career. No, it's Art INC. So it's about business. And I have to say that this is a very good book. The first impression I had is very pleasant to read. It's very, very beautiful. And just by this little cute rounded corners, there's colors in there between blue, orange, gray, and white. Very good color combination. Very cute. I think it's her own illustration. I see also that she has the same style on her Instagram. Very pleasing layout as well. Among many other artist guidebooks, I have to say, this book really stands out as this beautiful art book for artists. It makes sense because the author is also an artist herself. However, not every book is that beautiful, although they are written and designed by artists. And this makes it a perfect book for birthday, for Christmas, for even Valentine, to gift to a designer, to an artist or art student. Perhaps not fine art student, I'll explain why later. Besides, this is very beautiful and very, very pleasing to read. It's also very comprehensive in the sense that the language that is used in this book is very simple and it's very down to earth and to the point, very practical. Even for someone who is not native to English and who has not a very high level of English, I would still recommend this book. Perhaps not other books such as How to Run Your Art Gallery, because sometimes I had to stop, wait, what does this mean? But this book I have no problem at all. Even in the morning, in the evening, before I fully awaken, I could still read it and go, okay, get it. It's very easy to read, and some words are highlighted in the brackets in different colors, so it's very, very easy to get what it's trying to say. So this book is perfect for non-native English speakers and for someone who is very young, even like 17-year-old could understand this book completely. However, this book is not for fine art artists or art school graduates in the sense that it's not for anyone who wishes to die in the museum. I mean that who wish to be collected by the best museums in your country as a career goal, working with gallery and auction houses as a career path, and who are very in a way very elitist and see art as higher than life kind of thing. Then this book is really not for you, because this book is very down to earth. And come on, Lisa is an Etsy store owner. She has over 13,000 sales, and she's an Instagram influencer, over 240,000 followers on Instagram. So what I mean is that for someone like her, she's only going to give you advice that is practical and not ideological, in a sense, not artistic, particularly not fine art oriented. She's not talking about art history or all the contemporary art burdens or myths or anything like that. No, it's very light, it's very practical. So if you are thinking about, I want to be in a museum, I want to be successful as a fine artist, conceptual, contemporary kind of artist, then don't buy this book, because you'll be so upset and disappointed and you'll be like, this is like crap. This is not crap, because this is not for you. This is perfect for someone who is artist and artisan at the same time, who wants to perhaps make a successful Etsy business, artsy business, Amazon art. If you have no problem, thinking business and selling your design for small money but with a scale, then this book is totally for you. I saw on the reviews on Goodreads and Amazon, some people are very upset with this book. Perhaps those people are the art school graduates I mentioned. For example, one review was saying this book is full of platitudes, and another one saying that it's anecdotal. I studied in English and I completed 3 degrees in English. I did not need to use these words like platitudes or anecdotal. For those people who are using those words, are very elaborated, perhaps very educated, perhaps art school graduates holding an MFA degree, those people will not be very happy with this book. I think those reviews just proved my point. If you're not native to English, then perfect, because this book is very straightforward, and it's just very, very simple. For example, it's teaching you how to name your digital files. I mean, it's something very basic and very practical. It's not like what's the meaning of art, or like, influence the world, like, changed art history. No. If you're looking for a career like that, this book is not for you. It's very practical. And this is the part I like, really. Well, I remembered when I was 20 years old, someone was working in an art project with me, taught me how to name my files. And before I would just name it whatever, like even untitled, if that sounds like you. And I was taught by someone else in my team to name my file correctly, and that's the aha moment. And I think this book, in this sense, is teaching you little things, not significant, but those things that matters. So this book is for young artists and artisans who wish to make it in the world of art as an entrepreneur, as an Etsy store owner, for example, and it's not for artists who are holding an MFA or who are truly like into this museum career path. Then this is not for you, because you will be so upset with this book, and you'll give it a bad review that it doesn't deserve. Trust me, I think it's a very good book in general, and I'm gonna actually take a break and go to grab a coffee, and I'm gonna go back into it. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.